location may be good for looting. Here I go. Enemy taken down. Firing. Wow, looks like that was the last one in the squad.
New kill leader appointed.
Watch for the new kill leader.
Attention, there is a new kill leader.
Watch out for the new kill leader, friend.
Hi.
Hi.
Hmm?
Opening fire on the enemy.
Here it comes.
Hostile spotted.
There's a team right there. Sorry. No shot. You found that. Fucking L.
Better. Don't snare me.
Yeah, it's a whole team. It's a whole team. Play slowly. Don't be fucking stupid.
Offering my heart.
Okay.
Half the squads remain.
Progress.
We are inside the next ring. This is our stage.
Cracked an enemy
Crack,
shield.
don't see her.
Okay.
Look beyond the veil.
Oh shit, they're all cracked.
Care package being delivered.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Care package coming in.
New kill leader appointed.
Look, enemy over
Right
here.
back.
Keep eyes on the new kill leader.
Top.
Broke that enemy
Why?
Crack,
shield.
don't see her
The
again.
enemies are shooting at me.
Knox here.
Enemy recharging shields.
Get to your right, left. Get to your left.
Yeah.
What lies behind the veil? I'm taking fire.
Bullet. Nah.
I downed an enemy.
Took out an
Last.
enemy.
Don't worry.
Oh no, I have been down.
Oh,
Different team, different team,
yeah.
different
Hostile over
team.
there.
That's a different team. Fuck me, bro.
Going. Hostile cloak. Disabled. Need help. Grenade. Watch out.
New kill leader appointed.
New kill leader.
Target spotted.
Labels are a curse.
Ah,
I'm a
dude.
target. Thermite grenade out.
Contact.
Bruh, why did I
Just
get
you
this
and me
far,
now,
man?
brother.
That's so fucking
We
cringe.
can do this.
Lifting the veil.
Oh, Chris is going. He's still mute though.
No.
Fire.
Wait, am I muted? Wait, am I?
No, you're not. It's a whole team up there, Chris.
Have a heart. I'm taking fire.
Good shot. Above you, above you, above you, above you.
Bring down some destruction.
Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. You got time, you got time, you got time.
Out here, out here.
Chris, that's your ult, right?
I shot at an
Knocked
enemy.
one.
I downed an enemy.
Heal up, heal up. Chris, you gotta play the door. Play the
Knocked
door.
two, knocked two, knocked two. Last, 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 last. It's last. Coming in, coming in, coming in. Full pushing right now.
No, I missed my shot with the arrow.
Why do you have the fucking bow out, Chris?
You said it was good.
There's one.
Because it is if you hit your fucking shots.
This one's free. Remember that.
It doesn't have a big fucking spread either. What was that?
I was kind of close though. I feel like I was close.
Bruh. This guy. It's good.
Do you not have a bubble? You have to have a bubble.
What do you mean? I had a bow.
I didn't. Bubble. Fucking
Oh,
give me-
no, this guy. He's throwing. He literally fucking tried to shoot with no guns out the other game. This guy. He thinks we're doing
I'm ready
this
for
for
whatever
fun.
today brings.
Not like a diamond?
Give everything to the game.
Time to win and stay alive.
I accept the challenge. Why does Seer have the deepest voice, dude? I would get
This
scared.
is your champion.
Okay, what can we get? Actually, where are we at?
I say we land here.
Oh, it's too bad. Too late.
This might be a good place to land. Hold your breath, if you have a respiratory system.
Tested. I'm that urge. Don't fucking drop these anymore.
Let's go.
You said dropless?
Like how I came from there and just didn't go there.
I didn't land on a gun, that's why. I didn't see a gun. The fucking sniper.
I don't need to hear this.
Attention. First blood.
First blood.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Where are you guys?
I left some stuff away from me again. Slide to me.
On me.
I am taking. I
I'm
am
dead.
down.
I'm dead.
What a bot.
The entire team is on me. Fuck you.
Shut up.
I'm hit. Could use some help. Firing.
Fucking cringe. He's teabagging me. He didn't kill me.
All because you didn't want to land.
There's no
with the-
fucking guns there.
Why are we dead?
Because the whole team pushed me. I have a fucking sniper. What do you mean? Little bitch. Go kill him. You got this, Chris. You see him? You see him? You see him, Chris?
Yes,
I'm
I see
taking
him.
fire.
No, somebody to your left is sniping
I
you.
recovered our
Oh,
teammate's
shoot.
banner.
One of them's a Mirage. One of them's a Mirage.
I shot at an enemy shield.
Power jersey, power jersey, power jersey.
Still off first.
Getting shot. Get a grenade.
I cracked one in there.
Enemy shield.
Shoot, peek and shoot, Chris. Shoot and peek, shoot and peek, shoot and peek.
One down. I'm taking fire. Reloading.
Other.
Ah,
Okay.
Fucking down.
Yeah, they're just holding. Chris has like all of them knocked. I mean knocked, cracked.
Yes.
Fucking slow.
Oh, let's see it. Oh,
You can throw it.
oh, don't do it. Oh,
Bruh.
don't do it.
Straight. I literally reloaded that.
Get fucking carry, Joseph. Chris out here putting work.
Shut the fuck up. I literally had him close to crack. This thing using crack.
Wow, nah, cap. He literally saw him heal. I don't know why he didn't shoot though.
It's okay. Oh, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go take this.
Haha, this is going to be fun.
Let us be last to accept the ring's embrace.
You and me, friend.
This is your champion.
I work hard for the money.
It is a great day to be Jump Master.
Let's go. Let's go here.
Let's land here.
Okay.
Yep, Baroni, he's a jump master.
Hope
Jump!
you're ready. Let's do this, fellas.
Right here in the
Oh,
hole.
Let's explore this way.
What?
In the hole right here. Right here. No.
Okay. Imagine we can't pull up anymore.
We're contested. Think of bitch, land over.
Enemy touchdown near me.
Square left, square left.
Fuck's sake, Chris, you had to waste time.
We're all here, okay? We're good.
Oh wait, that's not you.
Beginning ring countdown.
It's also not very good.
Firing.
Hit him for 17. Hit him for 17.
Let's go, let's go.
42 white.
Reloading.
The crack. Where?
Right here. Your veil will.
Taking fire, brothers.
Whoa, shit, he has a
Literally a bullet, literally a bullet.
I'm pushing.
There.
Opponent over there.
Using grapple.
Don't shield up.
Oh shit, he actually
Enemy
was a
taken
bullet.
down.
One double tap there. Ahead. Stupid bitch.
Reloading.
In there. Push in, stepping.
I shot at an enemy shield.
Push in.
Reload. One down.
Reloading.
I am taking fire, friends.
Out here.
Enemy is right here.
Directly outside.
Drop the
I
veil.
don't think that's it. Oh, it does.
One
He's
shot, literally one
a-
shot, one shot.
183.
Yeah.
Ah, I took it.
Pointed.
Watch for the new kill leader.
Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow.
I got a legendary.
I'm
A
using the
legendary
Phoenix
ghost.
kit.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Does anybody want this?
Repairing.
Can you scan over here?
Go this way.
Optics here. Mid-range.
Josie? Scan this way, scan this way.
I need a
If I
backpack.
don't want to.
Fucking
Does
scan.
this guy have a backpack?
Where?
Might be something good. Cancel
Where?
that.
No back.
1 minute.
This way,
What
over.
direction?
Yeah.
Where?
In this
explore
fucking
this way.
building.
Well then why is there a ping this guy? I don't see anything.
I Oh, these doors are
45
open.
seconds. Ring is near.
Yeah, it's. Oh wait, no, I saw something. I saw something. Bottom floor, bottom
I'm
floor.
literally telling you, you're so fucking dumb.
Drawing
There.
back the veil.
Who pushed that? Who pushed that? Government pushes.
I'm crafting.
Oh, actually,
30 seconds until that ring closes.
I don't have a gun. Hold on.
Crafting.
This.
Fire, brothers.
Nope, nope, nope.
Frag out.
Come back. Come back.
We get our 3 real quick, and then we push.
Bubble, Chris, bubble.
Oh crap.
Bubble.
Just 10 seconds left.
Okay. Alright.
Give me a sec.
Recharging shield.
Give me a shield.
Outside.
Fire, friends.
Here. On us.
Healing, I'm healing.
Knocked one, knocked one, knocked one. Don't shoot.
What do you mean don't heal?
Both drop on them. You should be dead by now, guys. Last one dropping on you guys. Both fight. We should win this.
I missed.
We should
I
win
missed
this.
everything.
We should win this. Ah,
He has triple fucking armor, dude.
Oops.
Quick, here.
Okay, I blame it on Gilbert.
What?
Can't leave something
Yeah.
this precious
You
behind.
literally said you missed everything on that fight. The
Yeah,
fuck?
but you should have had the same damage.
I'm pretty sure it's
imagine
some breeze
pushing and then being like, I'm healer, dude. I'm out
fight.
of
I had
the way.
to heal.
You fucking ran away.
I had to heal.
fight
you
it.
fucking dumb bitch. What do you mean? I'm whites. They had purple armor. Literally useless if I
Well, if
push.
you shoot them,
I
they don't
did.
have purple armor.
I
Crazy.
did. I did.
Maybe hit your shots.
You don't, Chris literally said he missed everything. Drake's album is called Honestly Never Mind.
Honestly, never mind.
Was it?
Time to end this.
Josie, what's better?
Uh,
His COB one or
Harder, faster,
Here's new one.
stronger.
No. Fuck's sake, dude. How?
I was created for this.
I'm stuck.
I think.
I couldn't fucking choose you.
you like Seer?
Yeah, it's all.
Fucking get.
Fuck.
Wait, what? He has
This is your
balls?
champion.
All right, this is good. This is good. Let's fight.
Hostile spotted.
This might be a good place to land. Hold your breath. If you have a respiratory system,
I'm gonna land here.
let's go this way.
There's people landing there already.
No.
Oh wait.
Smacking the crap out of them.
I'm AFK, guys.
Fuck up, Chris.
Run, buddy. Run.
They didn't pick up the weapon. It's not very cool. Not very cash money.
Enemy landed near me.
I got sniped. I don't know
Enemy.
what that was.
Pump. Gonna check out right here. Hostile close.
He's one shot. Just kill him.
Contact with hostile.
Kill him. Dude, he's gonna break the door. Oh, you're gonna push, you're gonna push.
Where?
I don't know, but I heard it.
Dead. It's over, guys.
Dude, well,
I
if
don't
you
have
shoot
ammo.
him, he doesn't have purple armor.
don't
Dude!
Maybe if you guys don't go down in a fucking 3v2.
Nah, I was doing my fight. I was killing that guy through punches.
Mm-hmm.
Look at Gilbert! Look at Gilbert! Gilbert!
That's the AFK too.
No.
I literally fought for my life there.